Sautéed potatoes. It's very French to do, and it's probably my go-to potato dish. It's so simple to do. You just need some good quality potatoes, lots of butter, garlic and parsley. Now for this recipe you want to use an all-purpose potato, just like these ones, and you can see that they've been washed and they've got the skin on them. I love the flavour of the skin, so you don't need to peel them at all, and it also makes it much faster to put together. It goes fantastic with roast chook, chicken, any roast. This is the perfect accompaniment. Now my saute pan is nice and hot, so a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. You want to use one that's not too intense in flavour, so I'm using this light one. And the aim here is to get lots of colour on the potato so they go golden. So in they go. And we'll just give them a jiggle and a toss. And at this stage, we're just going to let them cook for about 2 minutes. Toss them again and we'll make sure they're golden on each side. While that's happening, I'm going to prepare some parsley. So just some flat leaf parsley. I don't want the stalks for this recipe, I just want the leaves. And we're going to scrunch it up. So we're going to finely chop this. And I don't add any parsley or garlic at this stage. I find a lot of recipes say to add the garlic at the beginning, but to make these really shine, you want to add the garlic right at the end with the butter. Okay, we've got some good colour on the potatoes and they look cooked, but they're not yet. So I'm going to add some salt at this stage and just give it another shake. And now I'm going to turn the heat down to medium and pop the lid on. Now this is going to help cook them evenly and steam them. So it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. It really depends on how you cook your potatoes. Then we'll add the butter, parsley and garlic. Okay, the potatoes are cooked. You can see we've got a beautiful deep colour. They're cooked all the way through. So now we can add the butter. So you want about, say, 25 to 30 grams. I love a lot of butter for this. And we're just going to break it up with our fingers and spread it out. And another reason for adding the butter at the end is so it doesn't burn. Now we'll add our garlic and parsley mixture. I like to add another pinch of salt and some freshly cracked pepper. And as soon as you add that parsley and the garlic and just toss it around in that butter, it smells so good. It reminds me of the smell of a French bistro, and that is pretty much done. Turn the heat off and we'll plate up. Garlic and parsley potatoes à la française. This is delicious with any roast, or if you're like me and love your potatoes, just as is.